No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Panache. If you're new to my channel, then I am Veena and this is my channel Panache. I make a lot of videos here on beauty, lifestyle, fashion and also a lot of fun content with my family. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You'll really be entertained for sure with the content that I've been posting of late. We went to Dubai, some Dubai vlogs were made, Dubai haul was made, a lot of things, a lot of content coming up your way and some good content. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It'll really mean the world to me. And if you're already a subscriber, a loyal subscriber to me, then really thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It really means a lot. Okay, now without any further ado, let's begin with this video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about this baby here. This is called the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, which has gone viral, and for all the good reasons. You will know while I apply this foundation and talk about it. It's a 30-hour foundation, so I will be reviewing this foundation today. It's not sponsored at all, so I will be reviewing this foundation today and telling you about whether it is worth the hype or no. Okay, so go ahead and watch this video. Also, if you haven't followed me on my Insta page, it's called Panache.makeupartist. I post a lot of stuff over there too, so please go ahead and stalk me there. You will be entertained for sure. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. So let's begin. I have already prepped my face. I've cleansed it nicely with a cleanser. I've used the Sugandha cleanser. And I used toner, minimalist toner, and then I used this moisturizer. Now, if you're someone who has oily skin, then this moisturizer works very well. It works like a primer and moisturizer at the same time. It's got a very silicone sort of a base, so it's very nice. It holds onto your makeup also very well. So, and next up after that, I use this La Shield sunscreen. It's a very good sunscreen. It's a SPF 40 sunscreen, and it's very thick. It's very thick, and it also doesn't leave any white cast, and it kind of gives a nice pore filling effect. So that's why I really like this sunscreen. Now let's begin with the most viral foundation, the Maybelline Super Stay 30-hour foundation. Now I'm going to do a trial test as well and see how long it wears. Of course, I cannot wear it for 30 hours. I don't think anybody should wear a foundation for 30 hours. But I will try to do a wear test of at least maybe 8 to 10 hours. It is 2:30 now. And let's see how long I can wear it for. So this is the foundation. The claims are that it is 30-hour foundation, long-lasting foundation. It has got SPF 16 in it. And it is supposed to be a Lumi matte foundation, supposed to give a slight glow as well as a matte foundation. Now, to be honest, I've used this foundation a lot. I bought only this foundation on my trip here to Dubai, and I've been using only this foundation every single day. So to be honest, I've already used this for 7 days back to back continuously from day to night, more than 10 hours, and I have tried and tested it, and honestly I really love it. It has not budged at all throughout the day, and it was really good. I was really surprised with this foundation. The formula, everything is too good, and the best part is it doesn't feel like you're wearing a foundation. It doesn't feel thick. It feels very lightweight and very comfortable throughout the day. So that is the best part about this foundation. It's got sheer coverage, sheer to medium coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage, but your skin looks like skin. That's the best part about it. Okay, now it says it is transfer proof, so we will do the transfer proof test and everything. So let's begin. The shade that I have is 228. Now this is a perfect shade for me. It is not light, it is not dark. It oxidizes a bit. Okay, so if you want, you can probably get a shade lighter. But I went for 228. Even if it goes a little darker, I don't mind, because I prefer the bronzy effect. I don't like the light effect on my face, so that's why it's got a pump like this. Now, as you can see, it's already used. I've used it so much, so that's the reason why this is the state of it. Now let's begin. I'm just going to take probably 1 or 2 pumps on my finger and dot it everywhere. I'm looking there because my mirror is there. I'm going to dot it all over my face like this. Don't forget your neck. Whatever is remaining, put it on your neck. Now I've just taken one pump. That's all I've taken. I'll take little more because today we have a long day, going to church and then probably going out for dinner and then maybe clubbing. So I need a good long wear foundation. So as you can see, I put it all over my face now with the help of a brush. Now the best way to do is use a brush, because if you use a sponge, it absorbs a lot of the foundation. So I prefer using a flat brush like this for the foundation. So what you can do is just press it like this and place it in just tapping motions. Use a tapping motion technique so it doesn't move your foundation. It stays wherever it has to stay and it gives you a good coverage. Okay, so you can already see this part is covered pretty well. So that's it. Now I don't have a lot of dark circles and also I don't really need much coverage. I also do not have too much of blemishes. My pigmentation also has reduced quite a bit. If you've not seen the previous video, I've spoken about this skin nutrition called Chic Nutrix. I've started using that and I can see a lot of difference in my pigmentation. So that is taken care of. There you go. I don't think I need any more. I'll just take a little bit probably for my cheek area here, a little bit. Just a dot each. That's it. And try to blend that. So that's that. As you can see, it has covered my entire face. And now we will do the wear test. For the wear test, I have this tissue over here, which I'm going to, place it on my cheek and press it and see if it transfers. And there you go. You can see it does not transfer at all. So it's a complete transfer proof foundation, which is excellent. That's what you need, especially if you're in a humid weather. It will not transfer. So that's it. Now I'll complete the rest of my makeup and get back to you with my final review. So that's it. This is my final look. And I'll tell you about the products that I used. I topped it off with this powder. This is the Maybelline powder, 24-hour fresh powder. I use this powder only because I have got a very oily skin and I needed to, just lock the foundation in. So that's the reason why I use this powder. And if you want, if you've got dry skin, you can skip it completely. For contouring my face, I did a little bit of nose contour here, there. And slightly, not much. For that I use, this is one of the best bronzers if you want to contour your face. It's a Wet n Wild contour, a bronzer, which is called What Shady Beaches. It's a beautiful bronzer. So if you're planning to look for a bronzer, go for this. You will love it. And it goes on Indian skin tones very well. Next up, for blush, I used this one. This is my, again, most favorite blush. It is from Colourpop. It's a cute blush. See, this is the blush. It doesn't show too much, but I don't like too much of that, pinky sort of a look. I just like a little bit of flush of color. So that's the reason why this is nice and subtle. So I like this. Then for the lip liner, I use this Color Bar lip liner, which I've been using I don't know for how many years, and still you can see the state of it. This much is remaining of it, but it's a beautiful lip liner. It goes with mostly all lip shades. So this is the one. And then I use this lipstick. This is from Maybelline, I think this is a Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade, if I can see, I can't see the shade, but this is the one. It's a nice nude shade, looks really pretty. So this one. For kajal, I used this L18. This is a beautiful kajal. It's really super inexpensive. It's not at all inexpensive kajal. I think it's for about $80 or so. And I got this from Amazon. This is a very good kajal. If you want a nice jet black kajal, see, this is what I've used on my waterline. And under this, I used this one. This is also beautiful eyeliner, colored eyeliner. It's a green eyeliner since it's matching with my top, the top that I'm wearing. So I just put it underneath my kajal here and a little bit on my eyelid. So this is the kajal I use. Very nice again. For my eyebrows, I use this. This is my trusty eyebrow pencil, very nice. Again, this is from Swiss Beauty, inexpensive, very reasonable. So this is a dark brown shade, too good. And for mascara, I use this is the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Again, it's a lot of hype about this, and it is definitely worth the hype, you know, so it's really great. So that's it. So I'm done with my makeup look. This is my final makeup look, as you can see. Tell me what you think about it. It's looking nice and fresh. According to me, I feel really comfortable wearing this makeup. I don't find it heavy on my face. It feels like second skin only. And I have tried and tested this for more than 8 hours, more than 10 hours for sure. I've tested it all these days, and it has worked very well. Today also I'll try and test it and keep putting pictures in between every maybe 3 hours or 4 hours. I'll put in pictures so that you know that this foundation is really good and definitely worth it. So if you're planning to go for a good foundation that is long lasting, lightweight, matte finish, non-transfer, all these things, then please go for this foundation. It is not at all sponsored. This is my honest review as always. So this foundation is definitely worth the hype. I highly recommend this. This has been my go-to foundation every single day, so I definitely recommend this foundation. The update on my foundation, as you can see, it is still intact. I applied it at 2:30 and now it is about nearly 5 o'clock, so 2.5 hours, and as you can see, it is still intact. Nothing has moved. It looks really nice and fresh still. So this is the update after 3 hours. We'll keep updating and let you know how this goes. I'm back again to check in and tell you about the makeup, about the foundation that I used. Now it's about 6 hours. It's 8:30 here. I used it at 2:30 and it's 8:30 now. It's about 6 hours, and you can see the foundation is still intact. I haven't touched up at all, and it is still intact. It is not at all. It has not budged at all. I did not touch up. It's not oily. It has not creased anywhere. It looks perfect now. Till now, it's about 6 hours. I might do another check-in after we reach home, which will be pretty late, maybe about 8 to 12 hours. I'll be able to test it, and I'll keep updating you guys about my foundation. As of now, definitely a 10 on 10. I'm so happy with this. The way it's going, it's too good. So that's it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you really like this video. A little bit of review on this foundation. So if you're planning to go for something like this, go for it, and you will not be disappointed for sure. So that's it. Let's end this video now by saying have a lovely day ahead. Take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay happy. See you all very soon in my next video. Bye-bye. See you guys. I hope you've seen my Dubai vlogs, the Dubai haul. All these things have been posted, so I hope you like them. If you did, then please do not forget to share it with your contacts. Show some love, spread some love. That's all. Take care. Have a lovely day ahead. Bye.